Once again, welcome to Aptronics Software Education channel. In our last video, we had learned about pronoun. Today in this episode, we will be learning about adjectives, which is one of the form of parts of speech. Let's commence. Adjective. Adjectives are words that describe or modify other words, making or writing and speaking much more specific and a whole lot more interesting. Words like small, blue, and sharp are descriptive, and they all are examples of adjectives. An adjective describes or modifies nouns and pronouns in a sentence. It normally indicates quality, size, shape, duration, feelings, contents, and more about a noun or pronoun. Adjectives usually provide relevant information about the nouns and pronouns they modify or describe by answering the questions like what kind, how many, which one, how much. Adjectives enrich your writing by adding precision and originality to it. Examples of adjective. The team has a dangerous batsman. I have 10 candies in my pocket. I love that red car. I earn more money than he does. Types of adjectives. Descriptive adjective, quantitative adjective, proper adjective, demonstrative adjective, possessive adjective, interrogative adjective, indefinite adjective, articles, compound adjective. Let's see the definition of descriptive adjectives. A descriptive adjective is a word which describes nouns and pronouns. Most of the adjectives belong in this type. These adjectives provide information and attribute to the nouns or pronouns they modify or describe. Descriptive adjectives are also called qualitative adjectives. Participles are also included in this type of adjective when they modify a noun. Some examples of descriptive adjectives. I have a fast car. I am hungry. The hungry cats are crying. I saw a flying eagle. Quantitative adjectives. A quantitative adjective provides information about the quantity of the nouns or pronouns. This type belongs to the question category of how much and how many. For example, I have 20 bucks in my wallet. They have 3 children. You should have completed the whole task. Proper adjectives. Proper adjectives are the adjective form of proper nouns. When proper nouns modify or describe other nouns or pronouns, they become proper adjectives. Proper means specific rather than formal or polite. A proper adjective allows us to summarize a concept in just one word. Instead of writing or saying a food cooked in Indian recipe, you can write or say Indian food. Proper adjectives are usually capitalized as proper nouns. For example, American cars are very strong. Chinese people are hard workers. I love KFC burgers. Possessive adjectives. A possessive adjective indicates possession or ownership. It suggests the belongingness of something to someone or something. Some of the most used possessive adjectives are my, his, her, our, their, your. All these adjectives always come before a noun. Unlike possessive pronouns, these words demand a noun after them. Examples of possessive adjectives. My car is parked outside. His cat is very cute. Our job is almost done. Her books are interesting. Interrogative adjectives. An interrogative adjective asks a question. An interrogative adjective must be followed by a noun or a pronoun. The interrogative adjectives are which, what, whose. These words will not be considered as adjectives if a noun does not follow right after them. For example, which phone do you use? What game do you want to play? Whose car is this? Indefinite adjectives. An indefinite adjective describes or modifies a noun unspecifically. They provide indefinite or unspecific information about the noun. The common indefinite adjectives are few, many, much, most, all, any, each, every, either, nobody, several, some, etc. Examples are I give some candy to her. I want a few moments alone. Several writers wrote about the recent incidents. Each student will have to submit homework tomorrow. Articles. Articles also modify the nouns. So articles are also adjectives. Articles determine the specification of nouns. A and an are used to refer to an unspecific noun and the is used to refer to a specific noun. For example, a cat is always afraid of water. Here the noun cat refers to any cat, not specific. The cat is afraid of me. This cat is a specific cat. An electronic product should always be handled with care. Compound adjectives. When compound nouns or combined words modify other nouns, they become a compound adjective. This type of adjective usually combines more than one word into a single lexical unit and modifies a noun. They are often separated by a hyphen or joined together by a quotation mark. For example, I have a broken down sofa. I saw a 6-foot long snake. He gave me an I am gonna kill you now look. Degree of adjectives. There are 3 degrees of adjectives: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. These degrees are applicable only for the descriptive adjectives. Examples: for positive degree, he is a good boy. Comparative degree, he is better than any other boy. For superlative, he is the best boy. In the next episode of Gyan Badhao, we will look some more forms of parts of speech. Continue to watch Aptonics Software Education channel. Thank you.